Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about all the liquid lipstick which I own in my collection. I want to share across all the liquid lipstick that I own and the kind of texture they have, what kind of similarities they have, which one is like really good, which comes on the second number, and which is like the least favorite of mine. So this can give you an idea the kind of liquid lipsticks are available in the market, and you can decide upon which particular one you want for yourself. So it's like I may have a lot of colors from one single brand, but I'll not be showing you all the colors from the one single brand because this is not something a kind of swatch video. This is something about the kind of review on the liquid lipsticks which are available in India. It includes some of the high-end and some of the the drugstore ones, and a couple of one which you can buy only through online. So it's just that I wanted to share across all the available lipsticks which are with me, and then accordingly you can decide on which particular one you want as per your access or the availability or your choice, like that. Okay, so let's just quickly move on to each and every lipstick, and I'll be swatching it once on my lips as well as on the back of my hand, and I can tell you what exactly I feel about this lipstick. All these lipsticks are like already tested by me. I have already worn these lipsticks for like whole day multiple times. I have done some retouch-ups, etc, etc, so I can give you a very better understanding on like what I exactly feel, and on basis of that which one is like my all-time favorite. So without wasting further time, let's just quickly move on to the swatches and the review. So let's start with the first one which I'm already wearing on my lips, and this is by Maybelline, and to be honest this is like not something my all-time favorite. It is definitely affordable because this comes under 400, but after using many other liquid lipstick, this has become like my it just falls under my least favorite kind of liquid lipsticks. So the color which I'm wearing right now is called Matte 6. Okay, and most of the color in this range are like are mostly they have just the pinks and the red colors. They don't have many color selection for you. So it's like if you are looking for something, a cheaper version of liquid lipstick, and you are just you are not too much bothered about like the longevity or something, and you just want to try your hands on how the liquid lipstick gives a feeling, so you can probably try with this one. But this is not something I would say I love. I don't love this lipstick. First of all, I'm already wearing it right now on my lips, so this is not something highly opaque like you have the shampoo ones or the Stila ones. They are like super duper opaque in one single swipe. This is not like this, but the applicator is kind of really good. It just like really flexible. That is how the applicator looks like. It is like really flexible, and it is very pointed from the it's like this, so it just makes the application really easy. So if you are like really new and you are not too much comfortable on how to wear your liquid lipstick, then this applicator can be like really really handy for you. And let me just give you a little swatch of this one so you can see what exactly I'm talking about. So as you can see, it is pigmented. I'm not saying it's not, but it's not like heavily pigmented, so you may have to build it up by doing like 2 or 3 swipes of this. So that is how it looks. Okay, and that is how it looks on my lips. So if you are somebody who wants something like from the pink family, then you can probably try your hands on this one. So that was the first one from my collection by Maybelline, and let's just move on to the second. Now let's just quickly move on to the next one, and this is by Color Bar, and it is called the Kiss Proof Lip Stains, and the color which I'm wearing right now is called 006 Dusky Mauve. Color collection in this range is like really nice. You can find many in trend color in this one. Like you want some dusky colors, some really nude kind of colors which are available in this particular range. It is little on a higher side. It costs about 800 to 900, but most of the lipstick which I'll be showing you are like under $1000. Only the couple of lipsticks which are like really high end, they go beyond your $1000. So this, let me just talk about this lipstick. So this is like a true matte liquid kind of lipstick liquid lipstick. So you just apply it and give it few seconds and it will go dry after like couple of seconds. And once it is dry, after like 3 or 4 hours, you tend to feel your lips are like really drying. Okay, so that is the issue with most of the liquid lipsticks, which are like really on a matte side. So you cannot complain on that one if you are, you know, going for a liquid lipstick, because that is how they are supposed to behave. Since they are not like moussey, they are like actually liquid lipsticks. So that is how the liquid lipsticks are supposed to behave. So it goes really dry after like 3-4 hours, and you may feel a little uncomfortable with that kind of, you know, feeling to your lips. If you are not comfortable at all with dry kind of feeling to your lips, then you can probably try to skip this one. Also, the application is like really smooth and it is super duper opaque, so you have to be little careful when you are applying your lipstick, because you may mess around, you know, with your lipstick. So you just have to be careful and really precise the way you want to apply your lipstick. So and the kind of applicator given by this like really is flexible. So once you get your hands on the liquid lipstick, how you have to apply it, this applicator can actually help you a lot in applying the lipstick like a pro. So that is like the best benefit of this kind of liquid lipstick. So if you, it's like the kind of, you know, good things about this lipstick is like you have lot many, you know, color selection from this one. This is like a true liquid lipstick. It stays on your lips for like 7-8 hours. I have to use my oil to remove this kind of liquid lipsticks, because it just stained my entire mouth. If I just want to wash it off, it will not go, and my entire mouth will be like pink or red kind of, you know, it will have the stains on my mouth. And you know, and the cons you can see is like it is little costly for sure, and this is like it just tends to get dry after 3 to 4 hours. Also, after like your one meal or something, you may feel a little, you know, the lipstick is like going away from the center part of your lips, so you may have to, you know, do some retouch-ups, and retouch-ups are not like that flawless. It may look little patchy, so maybe you can go and you know, wipe it off completely and then reapply the lipstick. So that is like one of the problem which I have seen with this lipstick. And let me just show you now the applicator, the swatch, and the how it looks on my lips with the close. So that is how it looks on my lips. It's not sticky at all. It's already dried. I just applied it and it's already dried. And let me show you the applicator it has. This is my applicator. As you can see, it is little, you know, tilted and pointed, so it makes the application really easy. And let's just swatch it. And as you can see how different the color opaqueness is, you know, than the one which I showed you earlier by Maybelline one. Now let's move on to the next one, and this is by Rimmel, and this is like my first ever liquid lipstick which I was introduced to. And as soon as I just applied it, I fell in love with the liquid lipstick kind of concept, and since then I was like looking for the liquid lipstick in India. But that time liquid lipsticks were not available in India. None of the Indian brand came up with the liquid lipstick kind of, you know, thing in the market. So I was like really disappointed why I cannot get it in India, and only the Rimmel one was available, and I wanted to try other different brands as well. And this is something I'm telling you in like 3 years back. Yeah, it was like 3 years back, and I did not know that any such thing was available in India at that time. So I just love this lipstick because the love is like really old with this liquid lipstick. So this is by Rimmel, and this is called their lip lacquers. Okay, and the color I have is called, I don't know which color is this one. I think it's called Apocalypse, that's how you pronounce, I don't know. And this is for 475. So I just thought that if this kind of, you know, high end finish I can get from lipstick by, you know, which is like 475, then this is probably a very good deal for me. So I just love this kind of liquid lipstick, and I immediately bought a couple of more from this particular collection, and the one which I'm showing you is like my all-time favorite. So let me talk about this one. So this is like a true matte lipstick, but it has a sheen to it, and it does not go away even after like 2-3 hours. So it does not set to the complete matte. It does set like a complete matte, but if you look from far, it may not feel like complete matte because it always has a little sheen to it, which is like the best part about it. So I really like it for this particular factor. And also the application is like really smooth, and it is like super duper opaque. In one single swipe you can actually cover up entire pigmentation of your lips. So that is again one of the best thing. That time it was not there in any of the other liquid lipsticks, but now obviously the liquid lipstick kind of you know, the texture and everything has been improved by all the Indian drugstores. So this kind of thing you can now get in almost everything. Your Maybelline, Color Bar, L'Oreal one, everything, they have this kind of, you know, texture to their liquid lipstick. So this is not now new, but it was something really new when I was introduced to the liquid lipstick. So the color is like really nice, again like pinky color, and they have couple of good color selection also in this range. They have some nudie, some orange color to this one. And let me just quickly swatch it at the back of my hand. Let me show you the applicator of it. It is little different to what I showed you in the Color Bar and the Maybelline one. So it is like a typical, the standard Duo Fort kind of applicator. Okay, so it's not like tilted, it's not like, but it is definitely flexible, so it makes your application really easy. So that is how it looks. I hope you can see the you know, the inclination and everything of this one. So let me just quickly swatch it. As you can see, in one single swipe it is super duper opaque. I just love it. It's already been like 1 minute or 2 minutes, and it is settled to the matte finish, but it's still glossy. It looks glossy, and that is like the best part about this Rimmel liquid lipstick. So that is something, even though lot many liquid lipsticks can be launched in India, but this one will be my favorite for like forever, I believe. Yeah, let me show you the close-up now. So that is how it looks on my lips, and this is like the swatch. It is like a very beautiful fuchsia color. So also when you want to remove this lipstick, it will not, you know, you will not need a lot of, you know, oil or something, unlike your Color Bar one, because Color Bar one does not go away with your, you know, just the water or the wet wipe. You have to use some kind of oil or some kind of, you know, makeup remover to remove it. But this Rimmel one is something you take a wet wipe like this and you just, you know, swipe it off. So it will, you can easily get rid of the lipstick also. So that is like one of the good thing about this one. This is matte. This stays on my lips for like really good hours, and it does not create any problem when I want to get rid of this one. So this is like my ideal liquid lipstick. Now let's move on to the next one, and this is by In Color. This is like recently I bought, not recently, I think in couple of previous videos I showed you in my haul one, and this is what I bought from eBay. And this is like In Color Matte Me Liquid Lipsticks. See, since these were like really raved about, since saying that these are like really cheaper option of the liquid lipsticks and they stay on your lip for like forever and etc etc, so I had to buy it to see how exactly, you know, they look like. What are they really even worth like buying or something? So that is the reason I bought it, and let me just share my views on this one. So first of all, color selection, obviously you will get a lot many Kylie Jenner kind of, you know, liquid lipstick or the Kylie Jenner lip colors in this range. So if you are looking only for the color selection, I can suggest you can go for this one. And also they are like really affordable. They cost about $250 or $275, not more than that. So that is also like one of the best, you know, good thing about this particular lipstick. So these are the two things, and let's just talk about the texture of this one. They are like truly matte. I just applied it, I think before 30 seconds, and they are so matte right now, and they are dried already. which I hate about it. I wore it to my office one day and I was like really uncomfortable after 1 hour itself, because I am fine with the dry lipstick kind of, the feeling to my lips, but not that soon. That comes only after like 2, 3 or 4 hours. But this was like something half an hour, 1 hour itself. My lips started feeling super dry. So, but this actually ensures one thing is like it will stay on your lips for like forever, and they were actually on my lips till the end of the day. I came back and they were still there, and I had to use some oil to remove it off, and then only I could get rid of these lipsticks. Yeah, so they were like that sticky. Yeah, so that is like really good thing about them. They are really long hours. The staying power is like really long hours, and the color selection is like really good. I don't like the way they smell. They smell like a chemical, which I don't like, because most of the liquid lipstick which I have in my collection, they smell like vanilla cupcake. So I'm used to of that kind of smell. I'm not very comfortable with the chemical kind of smell, but you can pass it on, if you can just pass it, then you can probably wear these ones. Also, one of the things which I just hate about these lipsticks is like their applicator. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Can you see? It is like a stick. They have not put any kind of sponge, no dwarf white applicator kind of thing. It is like complete stick. Okay, so you have to be like really careful when you are applying this lipstick, and if you are like a newbie to the liquid lipstick, then I'm sure you will end up with kind of messy and patchy application, because when you are applying it for the first time it will be fine, but when you want to fill the gaps again and you want to do a little more swipes of the liquid lipstick, here the error comes, and this is when the applicator plays a vital role in giving you a very flawless finish, a very pro kind of finish to your lips. And if the applicator is like this, I am 100% sure your application will be like really messy. So you have to be really careful when you are applying it on the very first time. You have to try to cover most of your lips in one single swipe, so that you don't have to reapply it again and again. Yeah, so that is like the worst thing I just hated about this lipstick. And but color collection is like really good. They have many colors: pink, reds, orange, nudes, Kylie Jenner lip colors, really nice violet colors. You name the color and it is available in color Matte Me lipstick. That way it is good. Price wise it is good. Longevity wise it is good. It is not comfortable on your lips for sure, and the applicator is like total trash for me. This is how it looks on my lips. I really like this color. This is like total Kylie Jenner kind of liquid lips color, and this is like something you can wear on a daily basis. So this is like a really trending color right now. And let me show you a swatch of this one. Now let's move on to the next one, and this is again by Color Bar, and this is called the Deep Matte Lip Cream. So the texture of this one and the one which I showed you in my in the same video previously, the texture is like really different. They have little mousse effect, and that one is like total liquid lipstick kind of effect they have. And the good thing about this lipstick is like they are comfortable on your lips. They do not feel so dry in comparison to the one which I showed you earlier from the Color Bar itself. So that way it is good. Color collection is obviously, they have kind of similar kind of color collection in this one also. So you are looking for some different kind of colors, you can probably check out this particular range. Third thing good about is it's like little cheaper than the one which I showed you previously. Not much difference, but yeah, some difference is there. And that's all. I think these are like the good things about it. Now let's just talk about some of the bad things about it. Is the applicator. I don't like the applicator of this one also, because this is almost similar to the In Color Matte Me kind of liquid lipstick kind of applicator. So it's just that they have a little more cushion to the applicator, that's it. But it is again like a complete stick. It's not flexible, it's not pointed, it's not like curved or something which can help you to apply your liquid lipstick in a better way. So that is missing in this particular one. That's all. Yeah, that is the bad thing about this particular lipstick. And now let me just quickly show you how it looks on my lips, how it looks at the back of my hand, and how the applicator looks like. You want to remove it, it's not that hard to get rid of in comparison to the Color Bar Deep Matte Liquid Lipstick. I don't remember the name exactly, but the one which I showed you previously. So those one are like really hard to get rid of. Not like that. You can actually take a wet wipe and get rid of your liquid lipstick. So that is all about my Color Bar Deep Cream Matte Lipsticks. Okay. So they are like, they stay on your lips for like really good time. They just stay on your lips for like 5 to 6 hours, and the problem is like they tend to get fade away from the between of your lips. Okay, the center part of your lips. So it's like you have to do some of the retouch-ups, and you may feel a little white kind of line in between your lips. So you have to be a little careful of that one as well. So when you feel it is there, you have to, you know, completely remove it off and do a fresh application once again. So and also I've already worn for like 2 minutes, and it's not sticky, but it's not matte also completely. So it's like it will not dry up completely. For the end of the day, it will not be like really drying at your lips, so it will not feel very uncomfortable to the people who are not very used to of the liquid lipstick kind of application. So this is like a really good pick for the people who are just starting with the liquid lipstick. So you can probably get your hands on this one and try out this one, because the color selection is also like really good in this one. So you'll not be disappointed from that end. And also when you apply it on your lips, it will not feel really uncomfortable to you. So that's how you can start off with your liquid lipstick, and gradually you can move on to the hardcore liquid lipstick kind of, you know, the products. And now let's move on to the next one, and this is by Chambord, and it is called their transfer proof liquid matte lipsticks. This is like my current obsession. I have bought a couple of the products from this particular range, and they have total 18 colors. So they have a really good, you know, color correction range for you, and these are a little pricey side. They are for 845 rupees. So yes, they are a little pricey, but I think they worth every single penny you spend on it, because they stay on your lips for like really good time, and they have really moussey kind of formula which just settle down to the matte finish. So this is all actually really good, so you will not feel really uncomfortable when you're just applying it on your lips. Also, the kind of applicator it comes up with is like really nice to start off with. So people who are not very used to of liquid lipstick, they can actually apply it neatly and nicely. So that way the applicator is also really good. And the next thing is like, it has a lot many dupes of Kylie Jenner lip kit. So you want to save a lot of amount on what you are planning to spend on Kylie Jenner one, you can take a look on this particular range. Also, I have shot one of the video in which I have showed you the kind of liquid lipstick options we have in India, which are like the total dupe of Kylie Jenner lip kit. So maybe, and in that one I have showed you the two collection and the two colors from this particular range. So you want to see what all colors I have for you, then you can probably go to that video and take a look. I'll put the link of that particular video in the comment section, not in the comment section, I'll put it in the description box, so you guys can definitely go and take a look on that one. Color which I'm wearing right now is a 481, and this is like a really nice color, and the texture wise they stay on your lips for like whole day. When I come back home, I take some oil and I just remove it, and they feel dry but not immediately. So you can, you know, you can probably start off with these kind of lipsticks, okay? And but if you are looking for some liquid lipstick, they tend to get dry, okay? So that is something, that is the nature of liquid lipsticks, and that is how they are supposed to behave. So you want to, you know, you want to start using liquid lipstick, you have to be ready for the kind of dryness feel your lips can, you know, get. So you have to be prepared for that one. There's nothing that can be done for that particular, you know, issue. it smells like vanilla cupcake, so it will not bother your nose also. And let me just quickly show you the swatch at the back of my hand, on my lips, as well as the applicator looks. So that is how it looks on my lips. The next one which I have for you is by Essence, and this is also like my current favorite, and this one I bought online because this is not available at any local drugstore because they do not stock Essence products, but it is easily available on Flipkart and Amazon. So the color which I'm wearing right now is called Silky Red, and this is like a matte finish. They are little sheer in comparison to the one which I showed you earlier, but they just, you know, the swiping, like 2-3 swipes do not cause any kind of patchiness or the messy application to your lips, so that it's like really good. In one single swipe you may not get a lot of color, but if you apply for like 2-3 times, it will give you a complete opaque finish, and that too really neat and non-patchy kind of, you know, finish it will give to your lips. So that way I really like this one. And also it has a very moussey formula, okay, so it does not feel dry immediately. It takes a lot of time to feel like drying, but it dries, but the feel does not give to your lips. So that is like again one of the best thing about this one. So but it takes about a minute to settle down in a complete matte finish, and once it is like matte finish, it does not budge off from your lips like immediately. It stays on your on your lips for like about 6 hours. And but when you want to remove it, it's not that hard to get rid of your lipstick, unlike the ones which I showed you previously, like In Color or the Color Bar ones. They were like really hard to get rid of these kind of liquid lipsticks. They just, you know, make your lips feel really dry. Even the shampoo one is something, you will have to take some oil or some makeup remover to remove that one, but with this one that's not the case. You can live with that one. You can take some wet wipe and just remove it, but yeah, it will stain your entire mouth, so eventually you'll have to use some of the makeup remover to clean it off completely. The next one which I have for you is by NYX, and I think NYX was the first company that came up with this lip cream kind of concept. So this is like something which started this liquid lipstick or lip cream kind of concept in the makeup world. And the color I'm wearing right now is the color called it's called San Paulo. So the application is like really smooth of these ones. They have a complete moussey formula, so your lips will not feel dry at all by the end of the day. The staying power of these ones are not like for like 8 hours or something, but they stay on your lips for easily for like 4 to 5 hours. But when you have your meals in between or something, you may feel the color is, you know, going off or in from the center, and you may feel a little white line also in the center. But the reapplication and everything is really easy with these ones. And also when you want to remove these ones, you can just take some of the wet wipes and you can just get rid of these particular ones. So that way I really like it, because they feel so comfortable on your lips. So again, if you are a newcomer to the liquid lipstick, you can probably start with these ones, and they cost about like 700 or 750 in India. The problem with them is like they are not available everywhere. So if you have Sephora in your city, you can get your hands on the next one. Otherwise it is available on Amazon and other so many, you know, websites who ship to India. So that way you can, you know, get your hands on these ones. I really like this NYX lip creams because formula, everything is like super duper good. So you want to start off with the liquid lipstick, this is like one of the option for you. And now let me just show you the swatch of this one. Move on to the second last liquid lipstick I have to show you in this video, and this is by Stila. I have saved the most expensive ones in the entire range in the for the last. So this is like the high end, and this is called the Stila All Day Liquid Lipstick, but this is something you get what you pay for. So when you spend like 1700 or 1800 on this liquid lipstick, you actually get all the benefits of the liquid lipstick you can expect from a liquid lipstick. So they stay on your lips for like forever. They do not, you know, fade away from the center of your lips when you eat, have your meal, have something oily or something watery. It does not go off. I never felt any kind of white line in between of my lips, and this is like the best thing. And sometimes I have done some kind of reapplication as well when I felt that I need a little touch up, and that did not make my application look messy. Also, they smell like vanilla cupcake. Also, the color collection is like amazing in this particular range. So these are like the best things about the Stila All Day Liquid Lipstick. Two things which can hurt you is, one, they are like really pricey. They cost about 1700 to 1800, and secondly, they are not available everywhere. If you have Sephora in your city, you can definitely go and take a look on it. If you don't have, then again you have to, you know, try to get it through online or maybe through some Instagram sellers. But you get what you pay. So it is like this is like my highly recommend liquid lipstick if budget is not a constraint for you. And this is something I totally love wearing. They dry, but they never made my my lips feel uncomfortable. So that is like one of the best thing, and this is like the quality of a good liquid lipstick. So now just quickly show you the swatch of that one. Let's move on to the last lipstick I want to show you in this video, and this is my latest addition to my liquid lipstick collection, and this is by Gerard Cosmetics. I think that is how you pronounce. It's Gerard, Gerard. Yeah. So these are like literally, you know, the newest lipsticks which are, you know, available in the market, and this is again an international brand. They are not available in India. You cannot get your hands on even in Sephora, because Sephora doesn't stock these ones, but they have this awesome collection. I got it through one of the Instagram seller. I'll list down the detail of that particular Instagram seller. So if you want to try your hands on these ones, you can probably contact that particular one and get your hands on these ones. They cost me about 1100, but they are like good. I feel little stickiness in the initial application, and but it just settle down to the matte finish, and again they just glue to your lips, like, okay, they do not, you know, you literally have to take some oil, massage it completely, and then only you can get rid of this particular liquid lipsticks. And the color which I'm wearing right now, it's called Share, and this is again a very close, you know, Kylie Jenner kind of liquid lipstick colors. So this is like a grayish nude color, grayish brownish color. I don't know how to explain it, but so far I really like it. I've worn it only once, but till now I just like these one, and this is again little pricier side. So the good thing about the longevity, good thing is like it's like a true matte liquid lipstick. Guys, this is like a grayish pink color I'm wearing right now, and this lipstick is like true matte liquid lipstick. Initially, after you know, applying it on your lips, it may feel little sticky for a couple of seconds, but after that it just settles down to the complete matte finish, and it again stays on your lips for like throughout the day. It is like Share, which I'm wearing right now, and let me just show you a swatch and the close-up of everything. So that is how it looks. So nothing fancy about this applicator. It is like standard Duo Fort kind of, you know, applicator they have. Guys, these were all the liquid lipstick which I own in my collection, and they cover many Indian drugstores. So I think now you guys have a lot of fair idea whenever you are planning to buy any kind of liquid lipstick. Now you know what kind of liquid lipsticks are actually available in Indian drugstore, and there are a couple of the high-end ones also which you can get your hands on through online or maybe through Sephora or maybe through Instagram sellers. So let me know guys which particular one is your favorite and which particular ones you already own in your collection. So that was all for the day guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you like it then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also let me know in the comment section if you like these kind of swatch videos more or anything else you want to see, any particular swatch series or any particular tutorial. I would love to do that kind of videos as well for you. So if you have not subscribed, then subscribe also to my channel, and I'll take a leave now, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye.